Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by using your existing Facebook account and a modern browser. Open Facebook.com, then click the Dating tab in the left sidebar or under More. This creates a separate dating profile tied to your account. Once you agree to terms, follow the prompts to set your location, age range, and basic preferences. This is necessary so Facebook can surface compatible people. Make sure to opt into profile discovery and confirm your email/phone if asked. Doing so prevents visibility problems later. Now you'll flesh out the dating profile so matches are meaningful. Add 3 to 6 high-quality photos and choose a standout primary image. Visuals drive initial interest. Then complete the prompts and write a concise bio explaining what you're looking for and why, because specificity improves matches. After that, adjust filters, age range, distance, and other preferences to narrow results. Once done, enable optional features like secret crush or event-based matching to increase visibility to people you're ready to interact. Swipe like profiles by clicking like or pass, and remember mutual likes allow chats. When messaging, lead with a short, specific opener referencing their bio or photo to get better responses. Make sure to keep safety in mind and avoid sharing personal contact info early. To manage matches, use the options to unmatch or block at any time. If Facebook Dating doesn't appear, clear your browser cache, update the browser, or try logging in via the mobile app. That fix resolves most visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.